Okay, so DXing on this, or I'm gonna try to at least. Gonna do a night tuning on this. Um, it still has that problem, although I can control it now if I press down on the thing. It works just fine, but normally, yeah, pretty dead. It wasn't doing that before, is where it just was completely dead, and then once it got warmed up, it would open up more. But if that doesn't work, if it's just too hard to keep that pressed down and go slowly, then maybe I can switch to this, since I don't think I've done a night tuning on that before, at least a good one. So yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna go up from 16 to 5 point whatever down to, or from 5 point whatever up to 16. Chance to play on the division. Turn up the volume.
Sell $50,000 in total prizes. More uses and uphold sovereignty. Please visit Shakopee to come to. But if you're building a 40 basically, how do you get people to? Sexton, side. Cam is down 102. Right one. Evidence that Donald Trump the investigators did is, I don't think you're saying that. I've said repeatedly. I suspect that the negotiation with Lex is wrong. It's mind-boggling, but we have or visit them at ChicagolandMen'sHealth.com. Trust your health to the real deal with Chicagoland Men's Health. 312-888-5655.
Sorry. That's Chicago.
You're listening to my man, Jonathan Hood.
Top of 6 to shoot by Harris. Misfires from 3. They're 1 of 13 from the arc. And the rebound on the floor, Devontae Williams.
Radio 780 and 105.9 FM, WBBM.
Sponsored by Sherman Dodge Jeep Chrysler Ram. Get to Sherman Black Friday sales event now and buy a new 2019 Chrysler 300 for only $19,999. Only at ShermanChrysler.com. In Batavia, the Mobile at Main and Randall is selling gas for $2.39 a gallon. And in Waukegan, the Thorntons at Green Bay and Sunset has gas for $2.45. If you see a low gas price, please 312.
Defend your country. That's amac.us. 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 So this jerk was elected in 2012. Does it say what part of New York he represents? Didn't he come out of there? Oh, yeah.
We're only like halfway done going down.
Well, what's different? no thanks.
Talking to a bunch of career film students today, and they're like, they were like, how do you deal with it? Like, are you ready? I was like, well, I have a great therapist. So I was like, I don't know, therapy and men. And I just think also, I would say, and I.
I stopped there because there was that squeaking.
Oh, it was almost grotesque. As they were slaughtering them. I wouldn't.
Obviously, I guess the whole deal, but I think as far as I know, I've just
System for men. Results vary. Offer restrictions apply. See website for details.
Mattress Firm's
I go.
It's the best time to save on mattresses. Right now, get a king bed for the price of a queen and a queen for the price of a twin. For savings of up to $600.
Punch a bag? Do you pound some clay or some dough? Do you round up friends for a game of tag or see how fast you go? It's great to be able to stop.
Mr. Rogers.
Plan the thing that's wrong. And be able to do something else instead. And think this song. I can stop when I want to. Can stop when I wish. I can stop anytime. And what a good feeling to feel like. And what a good feeling to feel like this. And know that the feeling is really mine.
I guess that makes me think a lot about anger.
But it really prepares you for the tournament, and so we're just going to go out there, battle, and
There might be an echo on her voice when she does.
Okay, we are at the bottom of the dial. Now we will go up. Oh wow, I'm not touching it now, it's playing. Better find a good area and then hope to hell that stays like that. I think it's warming up to itself now. Never mind.
Emphasize heading into that Wisconsin match, along with being better communicators. Detroit has lost 4 in a row, and the loser of this game has to leave this building. Proud of her, guys.
I was proud of it. I told him we're not taking the gas though, huh?
about 60 neighborhoods throughout the city, and it's actually coming up pretty soon. We do expect
Policy that they consider to be against.
Social justice is hilarious because not only are they looking very.
It was
the in-home estimate tailored for your home at 888-553.
I want no quick
George,
little bladder. Hey, I can't wait for the next exit. Now.
c'est good. Redéfinir.
With less than 2 outs for the young man. For all my stuff. You need to take a quick time trade.
Very strong Catholic name. I like it.
Would never gotten hurt. Like, is that it? Like, I don't think you can predict injuries.
Go from Las Vegas
Three. The athleticism probably to keep up with it.
and below MSRP.
Check out savings at CommunityMotorsCS.com. It's the most here. Click call, best of all, come see us at Community Chevrolet. Chevy, Tiny Road.
It begins here with the 30th anniversary of Arch Madness in
Downtown St. Louis. That'll get a copyright. Okay. Oh, shut up. Okay. Oh boy, my eyes have to adjust after that. Almost 15 minutes of dark. But so anyways, yeah. That seems to be a pretty dang good performer. Oh yeah, and Kappa. Oh boy. I don't like what YouTube's about to do because there's channels like mine where, I mean, I don't swear in my videos. Like, the worst that I'd say was like heck. No, not heck. I mean hell. So I have pretty family-friendly videos. So now it's either you have adult content or you have kids content. And if you mark it as kids content, you're super strict. And then if they find it that, oh, this is not kids content that you're putting on the kids content part, you can get a $42,000 fine. $42,000 fine. I think that a family-friendly button would work perfectly because I don't mind if kids watch my videos. I mean, they're not intended for kids. It's not like it's toy time or anything. It's, I don't know. When I was younger, like 7 or 8, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos about stuff like this. But so, if you look, this has an acoustic amplifier on it. Speaker's right there, and that's on an incline to this area. It's acoustically amplified, and then there's a speaker, of course, but I realized that like an hour ago. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching. This is the time, 8:48 p.m. let's do this one sometime soon. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little night tuning video. Subscribe, like, I don't know, I'm not going to be one of those guys. Alright, thank you.